Today we're going to study about angle relationships. The first are the complementary angles. Angles are complementary if their sum adds up to 90 degrees. Here we have an angle that is 25 degrees and another angle that's 65 degrees. So the sum of 65 and 25 is 90 degrees, as you can see. Therefore, the above are complementary angles because the sum is equal to 90 degrees. Now here we have another angle that's 25 degrees, and this is 50 degrees. So 50 plus 25 is 75 degrees, as you can see. And this is not a right angle. Therefore, the above are not complementary angles because the sum is not equal to 90 degrees. Supplementary angles. Angles are supplementary if their sum adds up to 180 degrees, which forms a straight angle. So here we have, this angle is 45 degrees, and this angle is 135 degrees. So 45 plus 135 is 180 degrees. So the angles are supplementary because the sum is equal to 180. In the example below, this is 60 degrees and this is 95 degrees. So 60 degrees plus 95 degrees gives me 155 degrees, which is not 180 degrees, and therefore the angles are not supplementary because the sum is not equal to 180. What are adjacent angles? Now if you look at the example on the left, we have adjacent angles have a common vertex, a common side or arm, and the other sides or arms of the two angles lie on opposite sides of the common side. So now we will look at the example on the left side. We have here angle A is adjacent to angle B because they have a common vertex C and a common side CE. So this means these two angles are adjacent. Now, on the other side here, if you notice, we have angle ADB and angle BDC. So angle ADB is adjacent to angle BDC because they have a common vertex D and a common side BD. So these two are adjacent. Now angle ADB is not adjacent to angle ADC, although they have the same vertex, but they don't have a common side. So therefore they are not adjacent angles. As you can see. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are pairs of opposite angles made by intersecting lines. They usually share the same vertex, and the sides of one line is the extension of the other. So here, if you see on the example on the left side, we have angle AED is vertically opposite to angle CEB. And so here you can see them, angle AED and angle CEB, they are vertically opposite because they share the same vertex E, and the side EC is the extension of ED. And AE is the extension of EB. Now, angle AEC is also vertically opposite to angle DEB. And if you can notice again, one side is the extension of the other, and they share the common vertex E. Now the example on the right in the figure above, you see here, although they share the same vertex O, but the angles sides are not the extensions of the other. Therefore, in this figure, we don't have any opposite angles. And of course, vertically opposite angles are equal. Thank you for watching and listening. Here are a few examples. Please try to solve them. Thank you and have a nice day.